child is born on a battlefield. A soldier boy falls to his knees, and a woman cries in joy and pain. When will we live in peace again? A child is born where the wild wind blows, in a country torn from the south to the north, and a family runs from day to day. When will we see our home again? When will we see the simple truth, the only thing that's worth a damn? The life of a child is more than a forest. The life of a child is more than a border could ever be. A child is born in the desert sun, a tiny life has just begun, and a mother cries for a hungry babe. When will I feel